Hey everyone, it's Valerie Sims here with Profit with PDFs. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn your lead magnet into a beautiful, amazing flipbook. Yep, and we're going to do that on Canva.com. So this is my lead magnet right here that I created in Canva. And it's about 19 pages or so. So what you're going to do is you're going to come up here to the three dots, click on that, and just type in flipbooks. You'll see two options come up. Let's try this one, Hazing Flipbooks. Now automatically it's going to populate just 10 pages, but we don't want that. We want all of our pages. So come down here and click 1 through 19 and done. And now we're going to save this. And it's going to work on producing that flipbook for us. And it is so cool when you see it. It's amazing. I love it. Now, these flipbooks, they're free to be able to create them like this. And you can share a link. But if you want to download it, then you're going to have to sign in. And there's going to be a fee. I believe this company charges about $49 a year to be able to download your flipbook. Okay, we're ready. See where it says continue editing or over here go to home page? We don't want either one of these. This is the link we want to click. View in Hazing Flipbooks. Now it's going to process it for a few moments and then you're going to see. And it's great to have an option instead of just giving somebody a paper PDF or a downloadable PDF. This is a really cool way to show them your information. All right, here we go. Let's give it a try. See how you can flip the pages? Let's see if I can adjust this for you so it's a little bit more centered. All right, let's see. Can you hear it? Can you hear the pages? Oh, I love it. That's so cool. All right, now let's head over to the side. Let me show you on the side panel here. All right, so you have different options, but up here, we want to share this. Now here's the link. We can copy it right here and send that to somebody, and then they can access this lead magnet on Canva. Or if you come up here to download it and you want to upload it, say, into your website, you click here and then you're going to get the option. It's going to ask you either subscribe or you're going to have to pay, which is about $49 a year. So I'm not sure if you want to do that, but you do have that option. But this is great, guys. Let me know if you turn your lead magnets into flipbooks. And if you're interested in this lead magnet, you can head on over to pdftopeople.com and you can download this for free. And if this helps you, I'm too happy. That's wonderful. All right, until next time, wishing you guys all the best. Bye for now.